Hi, I'm Eddie Quaglieri, Water Utility Manager for Carson City Public Works. I manage the water utility system, including the distribution and treatment facilities. Every spring, in order to improve water quality and minimize discoloration, water mains are routinely flushed by a technique known as unidirectional flushing. The procedure involves the systematic opening and closing of hydrants, one section of main at a time, to force the water through the pipes at high velocity, removing accumulated mineral sediment until the water is clear. The main objective of our annual water main flushing program is to clean the pipes and improve water quality. Properties in the immediate area may experience temporary water pressure fluctuations and possible discoloration. The discoloration is caused by naturally occurring minerals being disturbed by the high velocity water flow. The naturally occurring minerals are not harmful. If you experience discolored water, we ask that you flush the cold water lines in your home property by opening a hose bib or a bathtub faucet for a few minutes until the water clears. We ask for your patience and understanding during this critical water main flushing process. If you have any questions or concerns about our critical water main flushing program, please call Public Works.